Welcome back, students. In this video we are going to talk about control structures. Control structures allow better control over execution of the scripts, and the examples of control functions are, for example, if else, while, switch, repeat, break, and return. I encourage you to use help in R to have a look on all of these control functions. But let's now work with one of them, with if statement, and I'm going to show you how to use those control functions with example of if statement. The if statement, usually we use it if else command to perform simple queries on all our data types. The Microsoft Excel equivalent would be the if feature in Excel. In R, the syntax would be the following, and I'm going to show you this with example below. First of all, let us define x. Our x is less or equal 3. And when we run a logical condition, x less or equal 4, the output will be that yes, it's true, because we have defined x as less or equal 3. But we can also automate it. For example, we have to make a query over our data. So in this way, we can also write an if command in the following way. So we use basically 3 parts. We need a keyword x, if with the brackets, a condition that results in a single logical output, x is more than or equal, less or equal 4, and a block of a code in curly braces, which is executed if the expression is true. So if our x is less or equal 4, the command in curly expression in the curly braces will be executed. So if the condition is the true, the code will run in curly brackets and the if command, after the if command. If the condition is false, the code block will be blocked after the else is executed. The print function here, print, outputs the strings in the parentheses here to the console window of R. Here we need the print function so that the output can be written out of the if function, similar to the return, write out our output. So let's run this and then you can see how it works. Let's run this piece of code. But, the way how I wrote it here with if function is a little bit not that optimal. So a more optimal and efficient way would be to write the following as a vectorized form, not of vectorized notation. So let's have a look on the following example. Here we define x as a vector with 5 numbers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we print x, you will see that this is indeed a vector. And we can use if-else statement and just write it in one line of the code, where we say if-else x is less or equal 4, then write x is smaller than or equal to 4, else x is larger than 4. So basically we are writing the same as was written in a previous statement, but only in one line. So if we execute this piece of the code, you can see that the output will be that the first number in our vector x is smaller than or equal to 4, because it's 3. The number 4, x is smaller than or equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, x is larger than 4 because it's indeed larger than 4.